Air India Express to add 40% more capacity soon.
In terms of capacity, we are going to be adding almost 40% over the last year's capacity. We have about 30 aircraft which are coming in by December alone. What we are going to be doing with this capacity is increasing our footprint, increasing our operations, both domestic and regional short haul international. In the international markets, we are looking at serving Dhaka and serving Kathmandu, and that will start as early as July this year. Later during the financial year, we will be looking at Thailand.
Indian Hotels Company reopens Taj Malabar Resort and Spa after a year-long extensive renovation and redesign. Luxury and experiential travel spark surge in outbound trips from India.
We have seen that there is almost 20-30% increase in experiential and luxury travel, and that is a big numbers, and we anticipate, I think, the numbers to grow. I think that would be the most growing segment of the travel now.
Gujarat's travel agent highlights unethical behavior of airlines.
Main issue which industry is facing right now is like uncertain cancellations, right? In past, even we heard that airline staff has been like on the strike for a very long period of time, and they just went away on the same single day. When we talk about British Airways and some of the airlines, what they do is they just give another airlines or another flight option, and by adjusting that amount by themselves, they are not asking for a rise of the fare or any sort of other any charges or taxes, anything. The airlines take that responsibilities, understand that that is their mistake, and this is the best way. If some airlines really want to help their travelers, this is the best way.